Please type number 1 kung nakita na po. How do you know, coach? Tataas pa ba yan? So obviously, we need to look for equal lows and equal highs. Merong rectangle, therefore, a continuation pattern can appear once the 65,353 is broken. Pag binasag ito, pwede pang umakyat hanggang take profit area mo. It's at 67,225. Alright, another thing you need to consider before natin yan is we're going to do our Fibonacci's. Alright, true enough, yun po yung 618 area. Sumakto siya doon. Congratulations. Magaling talaga si Fibonacci. So yan ang mga Fibonacci correction lines natin. Pakitandaan yan pag bumasag sa taas. Yun na naman. Another thing that you can see here, Miranda, is this, no? So, tama-tama si 618. So, magiging key level natin si 618 dito. Tingnan nyo mabuti, ha? Take a look at that. 618. I think I agree with the key level because if you're going to forward test this, ang pwedeng mangyari dito is this, no? Pwedeng mas malaki ito na head and shoulders, no? Pwedeng mas malaki itong head and shoulders, Miranda. Ibig sabihin, if you're going to take a look, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this